This is a story of complete ineptness of Home Depot to design our kitchen cabinets. We have purchased the kitchen cabinets several months ago, and they were installed in our new home. The kitchen cabinets were measured by Home Depot. Our builder gave them the measurements. We supplied the measurements for the appliances. Now this is the design of the first row, the bottom cabinetry. You could see the dishwasher and the stove are 18 inches from each other. And here's the dishwasher, and here is the stove. The stove is double ovened. Measurements were given to Home Depot, and what we want to do is do our dishes. So we open the drawer and find that we cannot fully open the door of the dishwasher. Now, this is the problem that we have. We're already in our house. We have no use for the dishwasher or the stove because we need to return, pay for new installation, restocking fee, and everything else, with the hopes that the next dishwasher and stove will fit. Now, the dishwasher is standard and the stove is standard, but the hope is that the doors, because even if you push it a little bit more in, the second handle is going to get the door stuck. The better solution, a more appropriate solution, is to remove the counters and put the dishwasher on the opposite side of the sink. This will entail thousands of dollars of work and cabinetry and counters. I don't know an easy solution because I don't believe that just changing the appliances is going to fix it. But at this point, we're willing to try anything.